I'm going to do a quick video. Got a tool today for Carter and Son. Sort of need this with all the salt and pepper mills I'm doing. I needed a nice parting tool. And they happen to have one of the best, or they actually have some of the best tools all around. As far as for lathe turning. But right here, of course, we have a nice little card, and then here is our handle. And I love their handles. I mean, their handles are just so nice. And here's my tool. That's a nice thin 1/16 inch parting tool, and it looks really, really nice. So everything's included here. That I can put it inside the handle, and this is a little adapter for this size flue there, and this goes in here so that fits between. Put in our little Allen screws here. And they even have an Allen wrench for you. So you have everything to put it together. And I'll find the flat spot right there. Put it right in there. Tighten up everything. Something's not lining up here because this, I think, should go in a little further. Maybe not. The hole is right there, right onto the piece itself. I think I know what I did. I bet you there are two sizes because they're professionals and I am not. So once you get this together, you want to check out your Allen screws because you see one's longer than the other. That's going to go in the back, the thicker part here. And the shorter one goes in the front. And that way everything seals down and gets below the handle there. So if you put one in here and it's above the handle, you got them backwards, that's all. And I know how that is. So there it is, my brand new parting tool, 1/16 parting tool. Beautiful piece of tool, equipment I should say, for beautiful equipment for the shop. And when you go to sharpen, one of the things I like about Olive Carter and Son is this. That's how good of a fit it does. It makes a pop when it comes out. These tools are absolutely worth the money if you want to spend most of your time at the lathe and less time at the grinder. Thanks for watching.